everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe because I have a lot of really delicious fall recipes coming up. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a pumpkin bread with a little twist. It's going to have a cream cheese filling baked right inside. I actually got this idea from another YouTuber that I watch. Her name is Kristen. I'll link her channel below. She doesn't bake, she vlogs, but she did a video recipe and it looked really good. I just have to try it. So let's get started. You are going to need, and yes, don't come at me, I have to read the recipe, I didn't memorize it. You're going to need 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 large egg, a 1/4 cup of oil, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, 3/4 cups light brown sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, half a tablespoon of pumpkin spice, 1 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. That's just for the bread. Now for the cream cheese filling, you're going to need 1 large egg, 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of flour. Alright, so get all your recipes ready, and before you do anything, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So I'm going to start with the cream cheese filling. So right here I have my cream cheese and my sugar, and I'm just going to go ahead and throw in my egg. And I did go ahead and add a little bit of vanilla extract. It's not necessary, but I did. And you're going to take your hand mixer. I really recommend you use some sort of mixer so that you don't end up with lumpy cream cheese. So I have my cream cheese mixture all mixed up nice and smooth, and I'm just going to go ahead and set that aside. Which spots right here. So in here I am going to combine my pumpkin puree, my egg with vanilla extract, the brown sugar, the oil, and the sour cream. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that all together. I forgot to grab a whisk. So I'm going to mix this all together until it's nice and smooth. So I forgot to mention, guys, for the cream cheese mixture, if you wanted to add another 1/4 cup of sugar, you totally can. It's your preference. If you like a sweeter bread, then go ahead and do that and add that to the cream cheese. Okay, so I have this mixed nice and smooth. I've been waiting for October to come so long to start doing these recipes. I'm so excited. Okay, so right here I have my flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and pumpkin pie spice. I literally have the recipe right there. I don't know why I'm guessing. So just give it a little mix. Mix it together. Dump it into that pumpkin puree mixture and just fold it in. Fold in your dry ingredients with your wet ingredients. Don't mix, because if you over mix this will cause you to have a dense bread. You don't want a dense bread. You want a nice fluffy bread. Well, if you like dense bread, then go ahead, mix it. You know, we all like what we like. But for fluffy bread, fold it in. Just fold it in carefully and don't over mix. Okay, I think it's pretty much combined. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a loaf pan, and I've sprayed it down. So I have my loaf pan here, and I've sprayed it down with this. I don't know what that says, but this is what I use. I've gotten it at Smart and Final, and a few months ago Carlos ordered me a ton of them on Amazon. So check out Amazon. This works so good. Your cakes do not stick whatsoever. So you're going to go ahead and add in not all of your batter, just a portion of it. to cover the bottom of the pan. So just cover the bottom of the pan, spread it out, making sure the entire bottom is covered. Now you're going to go in with your cream cheese mixture. Drop it right in. I just have a little offset spatula. You don't need anything fancy to do this. Drop it in, mix it around, cover that layer of pumpkin bread. Now come back in with some more of this pumpkin bread filling mixture. Cover up that cream cheese. Wow, I'm gonna break all of my mama's bowls. She's gonna knock me out, and there's proof. Sorry, Mom. Okay, spread it out. Now go ahead and come in with the remainder of the cream cheese. You don't have to layer it this many times. You can literally just do one layer, but it looks cool. So do it the cool way, or do it the fast way. Work smarter, not harder, huh? But I want to be cool. So here we are. Alright. So again, just spread that out. Is my oven done preheating? I'm so blind, you guys. I can't even see the oven temperature from here, and it's right behind me. Okay, so cover it as evenly as possible. And now just go in with the rest of this pumpkin bread mixture and completely coat the top. If you want to get even fancier, you could get a toothpaste. Don't put toothpaste in your bread. Get a toothpick in here and run it through and kind of swirl that cream cheese around. But I like the way the layers look. You can give it a marble effect like that, but this looks cool. Cool enough for me. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Your oven is preheated at 350, and you're going to pop it in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes. It kind of takes long, but the good thing is you can eat it warm. So I'm going to put this in the oven and we'll be right back. Okay, so my bread is ready and it's out of the oven, and while it's still hot, sprinkle some sugar and cinnamon on it. Just mix equal parts of cinnamon and sugar. Sprinkle it right on top. I already have some on here. I'll just put a little bit more. And then go get yourself a fancy plate from Dollar Tree. Flip it over. It should pop right out. Use that spray. Now flip it on this. Wow, I got cinnamon sugar all over the counter. And I'll cut it down the middle so we can check it out. Look at that. It smells so good. It smells so good, guys. Let me know what you guys think if you try out this recipe. Remember, you can always add more sugar. It's just your preference. Let me know of any other fall recipes you would like to see me try out, and I will be happy to do so, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Mm-hmm.